Welcome back to my channel. And today we are playing a tower playtime code. Playtime code tower to go up. And we can pick our students. My favorite character is Rolex. I'm Rolex, my mommy. Actually, is Rolex. Mommy, I'm mommy. Yung sabi ko lang, catnap. I'm catnap. Mommy, what? I'm catnap. There we go. And guys, jump. So don't touch me later because I touched that. I look very embarrassing if I feel they can go there. Ooh. Sick again, I hate this thing. Guys, I just fell and it's gonna go. Yay! This is where I fell this slide. Actually, Lily love grades but me. This small hair, guys, this is where I climb, and also I don't have a choice, so it is Lily love grades. Lily love grades. We love grades. Guys, if I fall, prototype, I will be the prototype. Coins. Oh, the prototype. Prototype Smartest at my temple. And this character is prototype, guys. And the prototype only has one eye. One eye. And I don't have any clothes on there. Okay. I hate this chat. It gave me giant flowers. We're jumping on playtime go. Then playtime go. Playtime go. Playtime go. I hate this thing. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's really ugly. Never should have. Baby tra-la-la. La-la. Lily love great with me. Please smell her properly. Okay, that if I die, I will not. Oh, I almost started that. Okay, and Lily. Okay, I will be Lily actually. Where's my face? Where is it? Was actually the face just got trapped there. This prototype is really but to get it for a while. So it's like this. Lily with prototype. Actually, the grab pack is there. I'm gonna read the grab pack. Actually, hey guys, this is so weird. Just do it. I don't know when to do this one. It's gone. Oh yeah, cat. Bit of Lily, I hate you. The prototype and Lily again. And Dog Day and Catnap. Oh! Okay, guys, it's good. That was nothing. That was nothing. But that's what I thought. Should probably climb up here. I'm amazing. It's amazing. I swear. Girly. Actually, Poppy Playtime Chapter 5. The prototype declare Lily Ash. Flag graphic graph pack and patience. So like delete. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. When I get flagged, I will probably cut. What's that? I'm sparkling. I swear, I'm gonna change this is even less. I Rockstar Roxy. And then if okay. I swear, if that I changed it's wrong and so I need to tell about it. This is an item. A tiny little building diapers and it. We're jumping on Roblox. Woohoo! This channel make me Roblox. I mean Roblox. This can make me so I always I really jump style. Yeah, I do this.
June 11, araw ng Huwebes. Ibig sabihin, napanood mo yung video, maswerte ka. Dahil napanood mo yung video. Huwag ka lang sa comment section na may biyaya tayo ha. Kahit hindi kita kilala, hindi kita followers. Kahit hindi kita nag-iisip tao sa mga nakita ko. Basta nakita kita na sa video na to ha. 2,000 pesos guys. Then, biyaya tayo. Marami na nag-iisip. Check sa inyo sa mga maganda na design mo. Pwede mag-wait. Nag-front mapay ko ma-share mo kayo.
I look eating the shirt, guys. I look eating the shirt. I look like the shirt. I have an e-backpack, and my backpack is that on me, and so like this. I was also candy. I shall it is backpack. I almost made it to the top.
Kaya natin bantayan ang messenger nyo. Kasi bago ako tumawa, yung message nyo.
Okay guys, I keep telling her because this is my car. Oh, okay. Wait, that's the player act. Hey, I'm so outside now. No, I'm the queen of Playtime. The Playtime queen. Yay, free.
Just a second.
Is it? This is the best thing. This is the best. So guys, if you made it this far, click the video just popped on your screen. Make sure to subscribe. All the videos, subscribe.